today's video, we're going to be doing some rolling anti-lag launches in my brother Josh's 2023 Nismo GTR. If you want to help support the channel, click the link in our description to be taken to our merch drops.
So you're going to hold cancel. When you start hearing the noise, don't let off cancel, mat the gas. All right, go for it. Cancel, mat the gas, mat the gas. Don't let off cancel. All right, let off.
Managed to talk him into taking me to Wrightsville Beach, that beautiful rolling shot in front of that really mansion. This is where we got that. Use code BODY for 10% off of your purchase. Also free shipping for orders over 50 bucks. He'd probably kill me if he knew that I filmed this, but he literally has to do this every time he pulls into his driveway.